GBL batteries. I put some more wood on there, so that is going to be fucking good for cooking on. So what we're going to do is change the batteries on these. Yeah, I think that one's gone. Yep, it's gone. So let's get in the tent properly. I'm going to change both of the batteries at the same time. Hopefully you can hear what I'm saying. Right, so get out your fucking shit. Right. Change that one. Change this one at the same time. You get about 20 minutes out of each one, which is fine. I've still got loads of BBL batteries left for this. This is why I'm not going to buy floodlights, because the floodlights are only about 28 milliamps. So, right, let's put that one. I think, which side was it? Yeah, this side, wasn't it? Yeah. Yeah, there. And then the other one is pointing straight ahead. I did point up originally, but there's a... If you can see that movement there, that's basically blocking the light. So we're just gonna... I want to sort of put it up a little bit, so I'll just wrap the paracord there. Just tightly knit it, there you go. Around. Come on, you son of a bitch. That's it, and if I just slightly... It goes up. Oh, you bitch, it never fucking works for me when I'm... Just relax, get it done. That's it, tight. Bring it to the forward. And then that one could go up slightly. Like that. Slightly... come on, you son of a bitch. Up. Actually, I was using the tent peg to basically elevate it a little bit. There you go. I think that should do it. Let's not close the actual tent itself until I'm happy with the shot. So hopefully that'll be in shot, guys. So it does look brighter. So let's have a look. That tent. Yeah, that tent looks better, doesn't it? Right, let's close it off. Do, 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 do. Right, let's take a picture of myself. GoPro stop time lapse. GoPro stop time lapse. Let's see how much battery's left. 45%'s alright. If we just change the battery, then I could do a continuous one, like a non-stop one, which will look nicer. Right. You can have a look at the fire in the tent while I'm sorting out the GoPro. There we go. I've got to wipe the lens on it as well. fucking love these time lapses, they're fucking lovely. When you're charging up, when you put the power lead into the stop fucking touching the tripod, you idiot. Got 2 left there. Okay. Am I mixing these up? I don't think I am. That's 100%. Yeah, let's do a continuous time lapse of that one. Let's do a picture first before we begin the vlog, second part of the vlog. Right, so when I take a picture I have to make sure I'm facing away from the camera. So the shadow of the head torch, if I look that way and not move, GoPro, take a picture. Change it to green. GoPro, take a picture. Let's have a look at those fuckers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's have a look at those pictures. Yeah, green always shows up better. Red's quite nice though. That'll do. Right. And start the time lapse. GoPro, start time lapse. Right, I think I'll finish that bit and I'll start cooking the sausages, guys. Right, yeah, I'll put some more wood on there just to bring that up. That grill is going to be red hot. Let me touch this bit. Let me touch the handle slightly. Yeah, I wouldn't want to adjust that while it's like that. Yeah, you need proper thick gloves to do that. She will burn your hands on it. Right, so that's it guys, so please like, comment, subscribe, see you in another video. Bye bye.